after the Election Commission told the Supreme Court that there is no legal mandate for the Commission to disclose voter turnout data based on Form 17C. The opposition has hit out Kapil Sibal, Rajya Sabha MP, has said that why can't the Election Commission make the number of votes polled according to Form 17C, which is given to the presiding officer, available on its website. The Election Commission says there's no legal requirement for them to do so. But what is the problem? If this information is made publicly available, it can't be morphed, and these stats can then be tallied with information given to polling agents of political parties. And Trinamool Congress has also hit out over this. Its MP Saket Gokhale has said how the Election Commission is openly lying in the Supreme Court. So they've alleged the Election Commission is lying, saying on the issue of not disclosing total voter turnout data, the Supreme Court asked the Election Commission why it was not being done, and that these numbers have been provided immediately in all previous Lok Sabha elections is what Saket Gokhale has claimed. He says that there is that the Election Commission says there's no issue, but it takes time. But what is the truth? So he's gone on to allege that the Election Commission is not being honest with the Supreme Court. Now
why does the Election Commission not put that data on the website? What's the problem? Just that the Election Commission at the time of counting puts the final count on its website to indicate who has won. हमारी कोई कानून में कोई ऐसा प्रावधान नहीं है जिसके आधार पे हमारी जिम्मेदारी है कि हम डेटा अपलोड करें। अरे भैया, आपका फॉर्म 17 कानून का फॉर्म है ना, वो गैर कानूनी तो नहीं फॉर्म।
Well, to talk more about this, we're now joined by Dr. Mohammad Amin, former Chief of Protocol, Election Commission of India. Thank you, sir, for joining us. And please explain to us, the Election Commission telling the Supreme Court that it's not legally mandated to make this information public, the voter data. But the opposition now questioning the Election Commission on this, saying, why is it not being done?
Actually, the Election Commission is responsible to give the answer to the stakeholders. Yani all parties, the candidates can know about that, and their agents also. As the 17C is already given the same day after the closing of the polling station, all working, and after that the signed by the presiding officer and handed over to all party agents. And that is very clear cut, and everything in the eyes of their agents and candidates. So I don't know why they have the hue and cry about that election data must be on their site. This is not a right of.
But in the interest of transparency, in the interest of everyone, being informed, even journalists would like to know what is the issue with putting up the data, and what is this mischief that the Election Commission thinks can be done if they just give out those numbers?
Gargi, this time Election Commission has the shortage of the officers, and shortage of the officers, whole country is under poll, and the whole process is going on, and in between so many things are done by the Election Commission of India. So this is not a mandate to tell them directly. This is only know about their agents and their party candidates, and they are the stakeholders, and otherwise everything in the eyes of the all parties, and everything on the eyes of the law, and everybody knows about that. So why if delays the data? You know the question. They are already on the side. They are doing every year and every election. So this is a delay only. This time they have cried, and they have gone to the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court understands about the problems of the Election Commission, and they are working. Whole country is under process of the election. So that's why we have so many things to done on priority basis. This is done later on. There is no issue. I don't know why they are going further making the issue against the Election Commission. And you can appreciate that every time all the parties, I'm not talking about the BJP or Congress or in Trinamool Congress, every time they are blaming to the Election Commission, but after the election, they are agree with their results. So that's why this is the appreciation for us. But they never appreciate for the working of the Election Commission
Right, sir. But you're saying yes, there's a lot the Election Commission is doing currently, but given that everything is digital, everything is faster now, making this information again for the, public information for the public good and transparency, and also, as Mr. Kapil Sibal is saying, that perhaps the information claimed, he says, what is the problem in allowing the polling agents, the party agents to, tally these numbers and know that the information being given out in public, information being given to them, that, it's all tallied correctly.
As he is a Rajya Sabha member, earlier he was a Lok Sabha member and he was a union minister. So he knows the process and everything. And after all, he is a learned lawyer here in the Supreme Court, and he is the president of the Bar Association. So he can go to the Supreme Court. What is the answer for that? Answer already given by the Election Commission to the CGI and Supreme Court of India. And he is the lawyer, he can answer that, and he can receive the answer from the Supreme Court side. So we are not answerable to the lawyers or any personal members. Only we are responsible for the stakeholders, to answer the stakeholders, like all party candidates and their agents. That's why. And they got that in time every day. When the polling start and end, they get the all data in their hands or their agents. That is called the Form 17. And starting in the morning, you can find a 17A. That is the sign by the voters. So how persons have voted there in the EVM machine, every data is available in the eyes of their agents and the party members. Why he has and everybody has? It's very difficult to tell them every time.
All right, so we'll leave it there. Thank you so much, Dr. Mohammad Amin, for joining us.